So we really at the last stage now of these bags. They all turned out lovely. So now it's just to finish the attaching the drawstrings, and each bag gets 2 strings so that you can open and close it like this. These are really very simple bags, but it's nice. It's nice bags. The tool that I use is this tool here. It's called a bodkin. So you put the string in there like this, and then it closes, and then it's easy to thread the bags. And but I went this morning to buy some extra string, but yeah, my roll that I had here is finished, and I think I'm going to short more string now. So the one goes in this direction, and then you turn the back and you thread it the other direction, the second string, and then when you tie them up, they close like this. So yeah, and then you've got your bag there, and it closes like this, and they look nice. So yeah, nice drawstring bags for package. I'll give it to that church on next week when we deliver the other stuff that they need. Okay.